used to send a one-way communication. It's basically a business tries to communicate about certain product or try to inform you about your transaction, yeah, or try to inform you about the communication which they want to populate within. So that used to be a one-way communication. So if anyone have a question, please don't keep silent. You can ask me any point of a time. I'll stop and explain you. So the next trend came used to call as a two-way communication, like recently, which you have seen through email most of the time. It started with the era of emails, where a business can send an email to a customer, and customer also can ask certain question to the business. So that used to call a two-way communication. Now, messages actually took a precedence over the emails, because nowadays it's a communication or a conversation era. So all the conversation platforms like WhatsApp, like messaging, any messenger apps, I will say, took a precedence where two people can have a bi-directional conversation. So that's called a two-way communication. So one business or two people can talk to each other, you know, that used to call a two-way communication. In other words, if I look at two-way communications is between two persons talking to each other. In Orai's world, two-way communication is something like that. So Oshi is talking to a customer, and customer is again talking to Oshi. So Oshi, let's assume Oshi is implemented for any of a business. So for example, so so till now you have understood this, or you might have seen this in many of our demo. And in traditional market, current market, any provider who is giving any type of a bot platform is basically a two-way communication. So customer can go back to the agent, or a bot can have an discussion with that particular bot and come back. So that used to called a two-way communication. What we are presuming, or what we are presenting right now, is basically a three-way communication. What is a three-way communication? Is basically at any given point of a time, three people can be in a same call. Like you do a Google or you do a WhatsApp, three people call, two-party call, three-party call. Similarly, with Orai platform, you will be able to do a three-way conversation. What is three-way conversation? Two-way conversation you have seen in Oshi. Now, with this new product section, a sales team can also talk, can join in between the communication between Oshi and customer. So if Oshi and customers are having any conversation, sales team or a salesperson looking into the conversation can jump in and have a further conversation with the customer.
Sujit sir, one question.
Yeah.
See, if you see Zomato and Swiggy, right? I mean, they have a lot of automated communication at the start. Then they suddenly connect to an agent. Is it the same thing over here also?
Where you have seen that? If you give me a quick example,
Like in the order section, like if you go to the help section, right? So starting there, they'll ask a few questions about the order, which order
Yes,
did you
absolutely.
receive it?
So if you remember a couple of months back, when you go to a Zomato, not Zomato, I've seen it in Swiggy. You have a problem initially when you start a conversation. It starts a basic conversation rather than a personalized conversation. So basic conversation, what is your order number? You put a order number. I have this problem. It gives you three questions. You pick up one of a question like, I have a problem with this. And you have a basic question answer. Okay, there is no virtual agent as of now. But after few minutes, you will find there is a sales team who starts to connect with you, or a customer support team who tries to connect with you.
Okay.
So that is again a two-way communication, because there is no virtual agent involved.
Right.
Okay. What is a virtual agent involvement? Is basically a customer is connected to any one of them. It can be connected to a virtual agent. It can be connected to a sales team, anyone, and any point of a time. And the third person jumps in between and answers the query.
Okay. So the bot will ask the user, like, do you want to get connected to a sales
Not
representative,
required.
right?
Even not required. If salesperson wants to intervene in between, that's also possible. So that's what I want to show you now.
Okay. Okay.
So right hand side, you will see my phone. This is my live phone screen, and left hand side is Orai's panel. Okay. So now you will see what is happening in between. So now for a quick demo, let me pick up our Orai instance. So there was a previous conversation which as a customer, now you need to think right side is the customer. So the phone is the customer, left hand window is the support team, and the person who is operating the phone is currently, I'm the customer. Okay. So as a customer, I go to a brand and say, hi. And you all are aware that, we are multilingual. So I just say for our discussion, English. So Oshi is now responding. So it says, Sujit, yeah, select the below options for your discussion. I say, yeah, definitely. I will go for courses and I'm talking and Oshi is responding. So I say, yeah, please go for BTech. Yeah, I say civil engineering. I'm just talking, it's answering my question. I'm asking my question. All the answer is being given and going on. I need to know more something. So I say, yeah, tell me what are the course structure available. I can even write and talk. All these are going on. Now, in between, as a salesperson, I'm the salesperson. I see there's an activity happening here with the Sujit. It's came in the top. Now I expanded and I see there is a conversation. The person is looking more interested in this particular course. And as an agent, I pick up this call and say, I know this person is Sujit. Hey, Sujit. Looks like you are interested in BTech. As an agent, I replied, as a sales agent. Now, look at that. A customer is connected with two different type of a person. One is a human agent, another is a virtual agent. So earlier, as a customer, I was talking with a virtual agent. Immediately after that, a human agent takes it over and having a full-fledged conversation with me. So now as a customer, I say, yes, I need some help. As an agent, I get a notification. Sure. Now, very interestingly, if you have noticed, none of the platform is got changed. The user or the buyer or the customer is still in WhatsApp. He don't see who is talking. But in the backend, in the response, in a given period of a time, either our Oshi, a virtual agent, is responding or a human agent is responding.
And I think, Sujit, the best part would be here is like ये जो अपने WhatsApp रहते हैं उसमें single person would have the WhatsApp and single conversation can happen. Here, in this case, 1,000 conversations can just happen just like that, right?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
I mean, there's no number.
Because it's a virtual world completely. This is a completely virtual world. So at even any point of a time, or I say 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 6,000, 7,000 people can interact in any given point of a time. And Oshi will be able to respond to these people immediately. And any point, if the sales team or the human agents wants to pick it up, talk to that, can have a full-fledged control over the conversation.
Sujit sir, I have a question.
Please go ahead.
When we talk about dividing leads into hot, warm, and cold, does Oshi do it like within, like in real time, or it happens after a while?
No, it's pretty much real time.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Sujit, I have another question.
Please.
It's not a question or something, but whenever we usually have a conversation in WhatsApp, there is a typing thing that comes up, right?
Yeah, like
And
this.
yeah, and the thing is, if the virtual agent is answering, it is not necessary because there is no typing as in such. But wouldn't it be better if we can show typing when the human agent is answering, so that the person can still know that yes, there is some activity going on at the back end?
See, with a business account, that's not there. So it's basically a response. Straight away, it will be a response.
Okay.
See, this is not like the
Normal
WhatsApp which we are using as a customer. So this is a business account. Okay, in business account there are other flexibilities and there are other features which is being degraded, which is not required. So that's why, because these accounts are meant to be connected with bigger applications.
All right. Okay.
So that's what.
Hello, Sujit sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I have one more doubt. Like, sir, one of the client asked me, like, can like someone be able to block this number, like the WhatsApp chat? Like, suppose एक college है, he is sending continuously admissions के वो भेज रहा है कि like limited number of seats are available, limited number of seats are available.
Correct.
तो वो student उस number को like block कर सकता है उस account को?
हाँ, कर सकता है, बिल्कुल कर सकता है. उसके पास पूरा राइट है उस अकाउंट को ब्लॉक करने का.
Okay.
अब ब्लॉक करने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि पूरा अकाउंट बंद हो जाएगा. इट्स बेसिकली द स्टूडेंट,
उसके पास message
पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट
right?
won't receive any notification.
Okay.
So Sujit, recently किसी एक lead का phone आया था, so we were exactly looking kind of the same. So he told me to go to Lenskart on mobile and then do the Lenskart का checking. So I went, so Lenskart की website पे पहुंचा मैं. Lenskart की website पे नीचे उन्होंने WhatsApp का एक sign लगाया हुआ है जो भी वो pop-up रहता है जैसा अपना bot का रहता है. The moment I clicked on that, I actually reached down to the WhatsApp business verified account, GreenTech. I could see there, and the automated message first आया कि okay, thanks, we will be soon assigning you an agent. He will take the discussion here. And within seconds, they have actually assigned me an agent, and agent ने लिखा, hi, my name is ABC. आप बताइए सर आपको क्या चाहिए? And then he chatted for a couple of minutes, and then he went away. And then after 10 minutes or so, when I told you, okay, I'm in a meeting and I have to give you the call back, after 10-15 minutes after that, he called me. I mean, they called from a different number then. He called me, okay, sir, आपने Lenskart पे inquire किया था ये वो. So, I mean, the sales has just tremendously became fast. First is an user-centric sales की जहाँ पे user ने और customer ने interact किया है और उसने ही request किया है business से बात करने के लिए और कुछ level तक बात भी कर ली है. वो बात क्या करी है वो भी उसके सामने था. At the same time, then a call came which added up the super value to me कि कितनी fast business से connect कर लिया मेरे साथ में.
Yeah, absolutely. So what I'll do is basically, I'm just deleting this chat once again. I'm just opening for the demo. For me, this is the problem. पूरे में से ओराई को ढूंढना पड़ेगा अभी मेरे को. Hold on. Yeah, it's here. So नॉर्मल वही चैट पे जा रहा हूँ, सिमिलर सेट ऑफ थिंग्स पे जा रहा हूँ. इस बार इफ यू नोटिस्ड, ओराई को पहले से पता है कि मैंने किस टॉपिक पे बात किया है. सो इट अंडरस्टूड दैट ये ना आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ सिविल इंजीनियर. फिगर आउट. नाउ आई से आई वांट टू टॉक टू say human. Let's assume this is my, and immediately the notification comes. you see in the left hand side, it says, yeah, the request will reach out to you soon. This message is automatically sent from Urai, and agent got a notification. And I know who is this person. So I see that, okay, what discussion till now Sujit had with us. I am saying, hey, Sujit, I am, let's say, Arjun. How can I help you? So it also answers the same business case which you are saying now.
So वो उस particular agent को भी route हो जाएगा. So if somebody is, I mean,
हो जाएगा. उस agent को
it's talking about there is a bigger dealer automobile. उसके पास में Mercedes भी है, Hyundai भी है, Ford भी है. So if you set up the right agent, so the Mercedes conversation will go to Mercedes guy, the Hyundai वाला का Hyundai agent के पास आ जाएगा और Ford का Ford agent के पास आ जाएगा.
वो भी है कि different type of a brand with different type of, you know, vehicles, product range के हिसाब से human agents अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. अपने आप वो call उसके पास पहुंच जाएगी.
Right.
Swapnil,
Yeah.
yeah, you just talked about the Lenskart case study, right? Like the case you already experienced. So the similar kind of thing is happening with different brands and different sectors. So what is the differentiator for Aurai? Okay.
Okay. I'll give you answer. Let me give you answer.
Sure.
अभी तक मार्केट में जिन्होंने भी इंटीग्रेशन किया है व्हाट्सएप का, आइदर उन्होंने ह्यूमन चैट के साथ किया है या फिर उन्होंने वर्चुअल एजेंट के साथ किया है.
ओके.
अगर आप लेंसकार्ट भी देखेंगे तो वहां कोई वर्चुअल एजेंट नहीं है, वहां पे ह्यूमन एजेंट है.
ओके.
सिस्टम क्या करता है, ह्यूमन एजेंट को असाइन कर देता है.
ओके, गॉट इट.
इट्स अ हेल्प डेस्क सिस्टम. या फिर अगर मैं किसी और एग्जांपल लूं, कोई और एग्जांपल लूं, बहुत सारी ऐसी कंपनीज भी हैं जिन्होंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप को वर्चुअल एजेंट के साथ कनेक्ट किया है.
Okay, so basically on WhatsApp we are giving a virtual agent as well as a human agent at the same time.
Yeah.
Got it.
At the same point of a time, Aurai is a platform where three of them can be connected in the same point of a time.
Got it. Thank you.
We are a customer support management. We have a live chat also. We have a agent assignment kind of a thing जो होता है कि मतलब आज जैसे Zendesk है वो.
Yeah.
They are a customer support chatbots where immediately the ticket is assigned to someone agent. So customer support हो गया. So with us we can also do a customer support use case. We can also do a AI bot use case. We can also do a human bot use case. All three are available.
Like basically I think very new to this product. So what I can see is three words like customer conversation, customer relationship, lead generation, and with AI. So these three things pop up for me.
Yeah.
So
even अगर आप lead gen के भी दो फैक्टर हैं एक्चुअली Aurai में. It's not only lead generation, it also does a basic filtration of the lead.
Lead qualification.
Right. Qualification. Right.
भी Aurai कर लेता है.
Right. Yeah. Hot, warm and cold.
हाँ नहीं, उसके अलावा भी ईमेल का वैलिडिटी,
वैलिडेशन हो गया,
का वैलिडिटी, ये सब.
अच्छा.
Aurai has the capability to get those things validated automatically.
Lead validation, lead qualification.
Okay. Cool. Got it.
ठीक है.
Yeah.